and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time for tip and trick number 39. Now this one was mentioned by Alana, so thank you Alana. This is a good tip and trick for some instances, definitely. So quite often you get the likes of a storage case, something like this, and they come with some stickers. So they come with stickers you can use to number up your bottles. Now, depending on the stickers that you get, some of them will be round, some of them are like this that I've just found and can grab. Some of them will come off quite easily, but sometimes you can get stickers that do not want to come off. Sometimes they're worse if they have been on for a while. I've only just lightly put that one on, so that comes off quite easy, but you can get some stickers that are quite stubborn. So one thing you can do, which not only pretties up your storage, but can also help in relation to getting stickers off, is you could, and I've just cut it to get it straight, and then I'm just eyeballing this. But if you put a piece of washi tape down first, which can always fold over if it needs to, mine's probably not quite long enough and also not quite short enough, you can then put your sticker on over the top. So your sticker is all on the top of the washi tape, because washi tape is very much like masking tape, and in fact you could use masking tape for this. Washi tape is very, very low stick, which means you can take your stickers off without leaving any residue. And it just brings that extra little level of colour as well, depending on what washi tape you're using. This one's just a pink stripe, but you can get so many different types. So if you find you struggle with the stickers that you use or you like to use leaving residue on your pots, then maybe just take an extra minute or two just to cut yourself some little washi tape tabs. You know, whether they overhang, you know, enough to fold over the corners, or whether you do them and then actually trim them down. So potentially you could put them on too long and then decide to actually just trim them so that they fit nicely. I don't know if I've done the best example. But yeah, just so that you've got a little bit of washi tape, and then what you find is when you go to pull that off, you won't end up with any residue. So thank you so much Alana for also giving us that tip. It's another way to make your storage extra pretty, but you can also clean up quicker. So take those extra little steps at the beginning to just help your clean-up job be a lot nicer, and it also helps to keep your storage looking nice for longer as well. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.